As you relax your body, paying attention to having your spine aligned with your hips, your shoulders relaxed, arms relaxed, and your neck relaxed. And breathing in, imagine breathing in a very clear, lovely green color. This green comes in through your mouth, your nose, moves through your face, your skin, your tissues, your muscles and bones, flows down through your throat, your esophagus. Inward and outward it flows. And as it does, it moves down your arms as well, until filling your full arms width and flowing out through your hands, your fingers. It moves through your internal organs. See your full body just filled and radiant with this glorious, clear green light. All through your body it goes, through your abdomen, past your hips, down your legs and out your feet. And from your feet you notice there is coming up from the earth, the floor, a lovely rose color. This rose color enters your feet. It moves rapidly through your body, from feet, up your spine, through your torso, your head. It mingles and blends, flowing and spiraling with the green light. And together they move out through the top of your head, flowing like a fountain out into the space all around you, filling the space around your body as far as you can imagine. And begin to notice the relaxation of your body. You notice these flow through your bones, through your tissues, your muscles, your eyes. Every aspect of your physical being, splendid and vibrating with the pink rose, with the clear green. You notice almost a humming from your cells, your tissues, the essence flowing through them. Give your permission for this to flow, for your energies and your cells to raise in vibration. And as the tone raises, as it peaks, all agitations fall away, for they can no longer exist in the higher raised tonalities. And breathing in, notice you breathe in now the pink and the green lights. And observe, imagine that all around you are these colors, very beautiful. And you are firmly connected and grounded in the earth world, in the space that you are in physically. And from the area of this fountain rising from your head, you notice that as the light continually flows, it goes out higher and higher and in every single direction. Inspirations flowing to you and through. Allow yourself to relax, to continue breathing, flowing with these beautiful colors, and noticing the vibration that you are in has changed. It's been altered in a very positive way. And everywhere you go, every direction your thoughts follow, notice that the rose and the green lights move ahead. They travel so swift, so quickly, with such ease, blessing all you think upon, increasing the vibration and harmonizing your thoughts with divine love, with higher mind and consciousness, freeing you from captivity of low vibration and frequencies. And allow yourself to sit, to float, to flow welcoming in and experiencing the energies moving in and through and around you, knowing that creativity and inspiration moves. You need merely open and receive, accepting and observing to follow. These energies mingled and blending throughout your body, your energy space, expanding far out from your body. Also penetrate the earth in the location in which you are, and rapidly moves out every direction, raising vibrations of all physical, all essence, all sound as love light, creatively uplifting, inspiring hearts to open, as with minds the same. And you rest in this space, knowing you are safe here, knowing at mere thought and intention, you return to this space, to these energies, and breathing colors in and through. Your heart is open, flowing. Its unconditional loving nature and essence moves through you. And you are alive, awake, aware, vibrant, so vibrant, moving with the flow of life, the flow of divine spirit in and through and around you, as it equally moves through all things. And through your grounding, and through your outer connection, through your crown, top of head, and through the connection of these essence colors moving through all things, multi-realms, raising vibration, creating restoration of love, unconditional of healing, shaking free pain into a healing space, opening cells to divine intervention and perfect well-being. And become aware within your mind, within your focus, that as you think, so you manifest and create, whether the same moment or day or week, months or years. Breathe the light into the thoughts you are thinking, and hold awareness now of that which you create. And as you do, these colors flow in and through your thinking, through your mind, through your vision, your imagination, raising all to the essence of divinity, divine peace and wholeness and bliss. You are complete, you are beauty, and you are free to manifest as the love in which you are created. Peace be.